Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a phone number in KoboToolbox. In this walkthrough, we'll be adding a phone number field to a form in KoboToolbox and adjusting its settings so it accepts the kind of input you need. If you're building a survey or data collection form, this is a useful way to make sure respondents enter phone numbers in a more controlled format. To begin, open your form in KoboToolbox. Once you're inside the form editor, look for the plus sign and click it. This is where you can start inserting a new item into your form layout. After that, click Add Question. This opens a list of question types you can use. Since a phone number is typically entered manually by the respondent, choose the text question type. Even though phone numbers contain digits, they are often best handled as text, so formatting and validation can be customized more precisely. Once the text question has been added, go into its settings. This area allows you to define how the field behaves and what kind of input should be expected. In the settings, click the Select option, then choose Numbers. This helps configure the field for numeric style input and makes the purpose of the question clearer. Next, open Validation Criteria. This is the part that controls what entries are accepted or rejected. Validation is especially important for phone number fields because it can help reduce errors, incomplete entries, or values in the wrong format. In the validation area, click the option labeled to manually enter your validation logic in XLS form code. This gives you direct control over the rule being applied to the field. At this point, copy and paste the code shown on screen. Be sure to enter it exactly as displayed, since even a small mistake in validation logic can prevent the field from working correctly. Once the code is in place, continue by following the on-screen procedure. This part usually involves confirming the setup and reviewing how the field behaves in the form editor. Take your time here and make sure the field is configured the way you want before moving on. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to preview or test the form after adding validation. That way you can confirm the phone number field accepts valid entries and responds properly if someone types something incorrect. That's it. You've now added a phone number field in KoboToolbox and set up its validation options so your form can collect cleaner, more reliable phone number data